PE teacher John wants students to learn the rules in basketball in a practical way. Kaway-kaway sa mga MAPE majors dyan. What kind of simple, inexpensive method can he use to achieve the outcome of student knowing and applying rules in the game? Okay, simple at hindi magastos, no? Would this be letter A, lecture, demonstrate, simulate? Letter B, use successful athletes as resource persons. Nako, imbitahan mo ba si Jaworski or whoever nasa Gilas, Pilipinas? Letter C, lecture using video. Okay, mag-lecture ka. Letter D, play and be skillful in the game. Alright, of course, ang tumpak na choice po natin dito is letter A. No? So, tinuturuan po niya yung estudyante. So, hindi naman po play and be skillful in the game lang. No? Gusto niyang turuan yung estudyante, no, ng rules in basketball. Okay? So, magle-lecture muna siya. These are the different rules sa basketball. Parang intro. And then, he demonstrates. Po pwedeng gamitin niya mga estudyante to demonstrate. And simulation sila. No? So, when you say simulation, you are imitating the real thing.